Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add 60-second music in YouTube Shorts. To start, go to the YouTube app. Tap on this plus icon to record a video. Then select Create a Short. Here, tap on this time option. Now it will be recorded till 60 seconds. Tap on Add Sound. Now select the music of your choice and make sure it is more than 60 seconds in length. Tap on this arrow to add the song. Record a new video or tap on this upload option to add a video from your gallery. Tap on Continue. After that, give access to all photos. Select the video and tap on Done to continue. Now tap on this tick icon to go next. Your 60 seconds video has been recorded. Tap on Next to continue posting the video. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.